Welcome students, welcome back. Myself Kukreja Rahul, and today we are moving on the chapter number 9, application of trigonometry. Application of the percentage. Okay. So as per the previous session, we are already we are done already some example depend on the percentage. Okay. So welcome back. Okay. So let's start. In the previous session, we are completed already increase percent and decrease percent of the particular amount. Okay, and we are moving on the some example and some questions depend on the increase percent and decrease percent of the application. Okay, increase percent and decrease percent of the particular values. So first of all, in exercise 9a. First question is that last year the bus fare was ₹50. This year it is ₹60. Okay. Last year bus fare was ₹50, and now this year it is ₹60. So now last year the fare of the bus, that is ₹50, and now this year is ₹60. So from the previous year rupees of the fare that are increased. Okay. So at here first of all we have to find the increased value. So increase amount, that is 60 minus 50, that is it will be ₹10. Okay. Last year fare was ₹50, and now this year fare is ₹60. Okay. So from the last year it will increase. Okay, from last year it will be increased. So how much amount will be increased? So increased amount it will be 60 minus 50, it will be ₹10. So therefore increased percentage will be increase in percentage. Okay. So in percentage increase, formula will be increase value or increase amount upon original amount into 100. So increase amount will be 10. Original amount, first of all, in last year fare of the bus will be was ₹50. Okay, fare of the bus was 50. So 10 upon 50 into 100. My original amount will be ₹50. Okay, clear? So 50 2s are 100, 10 2s are 20. So it will be 20%. Clear? So increase amount or that will be ₹10, and percentage increase, that is 20%. Okay, how much amount or how much fare is increased? It will be 20%. Clear? Next is that five years back the telephone charges per minute was ₹2. The original charge is ₹2, and now it is ₹1.50 per minute. So now charge it will be ₹1.50. So 5 years ago the charges of the telephone it was ₹2 per minute, and now the charges of the telephone it will be ₹1.50 per minute. So from the original value my value is now decrease. Okay, now value and original value, from the original value and now value, my value will be decrease. Clear? Okay, you are seeing that. So how much value decrease? So first of all we have to find the decrease charge. So how much charge will be decreased? Rupees 2 minus rupees 1.50. So it will be rupees 0.50. Okay, 0.50 rupees are decreased from the last 5 years. Okay, so we need to find percentage of decrease. So percentage decrease is equal to decrease amount upon original amount into 100. So decrease amount, how much decrease? It will be 50 rupees decrease, 0.50 rupees decrease. So 0.50 upon originally 2 into 100. So when I take point from the 0.50, so it will be shifted to the downside. So it will be 50 upon 100 into 2 into 100. So 100 are cancelled out. 225 are 50. So how much percent decrease? 25% charges are decreased from the last 5 years. Okay, clear that? So first of all note down both of the sum, then we are moving on the question number 3. Done. So now question number 3. Question number 3. So question number 3, that is population of tigers in the sanctuary now is 5,500. Then original amount is given, or originally, first of all, originally tigers are 5,500. Okay, 5,500, and 5 years back it was 6,600 tigers. Okay, 5 years back it was 6,600. Okay, so here originally now tigers are 5,500, but 5 years back the tigers was 6,600. So here clearly we notice that from the 5 years back until now the number of the tigers are decreased. Okay, 5 years ago number of tigers are 6,600 and now number of tigers are 5,500. So from the last 5 years number of tigers are continuously decreased. So here we are taking the decreased amount or decreased value. So number of tigers decrease will be 6,600 minus 5,500. So how much tigers are decreased? 1,100 tigers are decreased. Okay, how many tigers are decreased? There is a 1,100 tigers are decreased. So we are taking the percentage of decrease. Percentage decrease is equal to decreased amount upon original amount into 100. So how much decrease? 1,100. And how much tigers 5 years ago? Number of tigers are 5 years ago, that it was 6,600. It was 6,600. So in 200, 0 zeros are cancel out. 11 hundreds are 11 six are. So 100 plus 6, so it will be 6 1 are 6. After that 4 40. 6 5 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 16.66. Okay, how much percent decrease of number of tigers from 5 years? It was 16.66% number of tigers are decreased. Clear? Next one, that is cost of a 1 liter milk was declared rupees 23. It was rupees 20 earlier. पहले यहाँ पे आपको question number 4. So in the question number 4, first of all, 1 liter milk declared rupees 23. It was rupees 20 earlier. So earlier cost of 1 liter milk was rupees 20, and now cost of 1 liter milk will be rupees 23. Okay, so from the earlier cost of the milk are increased. Clear? Earlier cost of the 1 liter milk was rupees 20, and now cost of the milk will be 23. So from the last, now cost of the milk is increased. Clear? So therefore here amount of increase or increase amount or increase cost, it will be 23 minus 20. So it will be rupees 3. Rupees 3 are increased from last year. So again percentage increase are same like increase value or increase amount upon original amount into 100. Increase amount were rupees 3. Originally amount was rupees 20. Okay, and now multiply it with the 100. So 0 0 cancel out, 2 5s are 10 and 5 3s are 15% is your answer. So 15% of milk from last, cost of the milk will be increased. Clear? So note down fast, students. So now from the E, F, G, H, I, J from question 1, your from exercise 9A question 1, E, F, G, H, I, J, all them are similar like all these sums. So you have to do that all sums. Okay, you have to do that all sums in homework. Clear? So now we are jumping on the question number 2 directly. So question number 2, that is, during the last 5 years, the population of the town that had 12,000 people increased by 15%. What is the present population of the town? During last 5 years, population of town that had 12 lakh population of town had 12 lakh. Clear? And people increased by 15% from last 5 years. So here increase percent increase are given as a 15%. Clear? So what is the percent population of the town? Now present population of town will be, so here clearly indicate that find the present value of the town. So first of all, here originally, so here we need to find the present population. Clear? So for this same such that we are following the same formula, that is percentage increase is equal to original amount upon increase amount upon original amount increase amount upon original amount into 100. Here how much percent are increased? That is a 15% are increased. So 15 equal to increase amount, that means how much population are increased, we need to find that. So here I am just write that increased population. Okay, originally population are 12 lakh. Okay, originally population are 12 lakh into 100. So now we need to find increased population. So first of all, I'll cancel out all the zeros at here. Clear? So now 15 equal to increased population upon 12,000. Clear? My 100 are cancelled out because I am cancelling the zeros of that. Now I need to find the increased population. So 12,000 shifted to second side to multiply with the 15. So my answer will be for the increased population will be 12,000 into 15. So 12 into 15, that is 180. Okay, 12 into 15, that will be 180, and 3 zeros are shifted to that. So your population will be 1,80,000 are increased from the last year. So present population will be original plus increase. How I find the present population from last year population and now this year population, that will be increased population. So we are finding the present population. Okay. So original population it was 12 lakh, and increased population it will be 1,80,000. So now in present population will be 13,80,000. Okay. Increased population will be 1,80,000, and we are adding with the original amount. So we are finding that present population of the town, it will be 13,80,000. Okay, clear that? So dear students, at here we are completing the question 1 and 2, both of them, and from the question 1 A, B, C, D 4 questions are completed. Okay, we have done that questions, and you need to do homework from the question number E, F, G, H, I, J, all that of question 1. Okay, do that all them in the homework. Clear that? So I hope all of you understand, and all of you are not have any kind of the query in this both of the questions. Clear? So till then, goodbye and stay blessed.